Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you for watching our video. I am Nur Isadillah binti Muhammad from Group AJ10 from Bandar Melaka. Want to present our product, Mascara Kiss. First of all, I want to explain to all of you about our company. Our company name is Mascara Sendirian Berhad, and we are located at Jalan Detamas, Kuala Lumpur. How to contact us? We have our official website mascara.com.my and our Gmail mascara@gmail.com. So if you have any inquiries, all of you can contact us as soon as possible. Our company is a sole proprietorship company and I am the leader of the company. Okay, next, our company mission is to provide the best and quality mask in the world to all people and also satisfy the need due to the pandemic. Next, our company vision. Our company vision is to be the best leading company of the world. Okay, next, I want to introduce to all of you my great group members.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafawati binti Muhammad Hashim.
Hi, my name is Wan Asma binti Muhammad Asri.
Hi, my name is Nur Ismail Syami binti Muhammad Nur.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Farahin Hanani binti Muhammad Nurdin.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ashki binti Arman.
Okay, next explanation about the product. So, why is this Mascara Kiss? Mascara Kiss is a product of mask case with the lid on the top. So, we can reuse seeds and restore the mask if we want to use seeds. Why we must sell this mask is because sometimes people intend to touch the other back of the mask, and because of that the back of the mask is already dirty, so when we want to wear it, it is already not safe for us to use it. Other than that, why we want to sell this product is because it's more light and easy for people to bring it anywhere and everywhere, because we intend to forget to bring it, and because of this new norm we must wear the mask everywhere we go, so we intend to produce this product.
Next is identify how our product may solve the problem earlier. This product is very convenient to carry around because it is not heavy during this pandemic, which is every people must have this mascara case. This is because our product is very practical to bring anywhere and anytime. Moreover, this mask case is more hygiene compared to the mask in the box or in a plastic that they just seal because it is exposed with the germs. This mask case is affordable because the cost is low compared to the mask in a box, which is lightweight because of that can bring it anywhere. I will explain about SWOT analysis for two competitors. First competitor is antibacterial mask case. For strength, the strength for this product is their mask case is popular and famous among brand, and many people buy their product because of the quality of the mask case, which is they make customer feel satisfied with their quality and when they use it. The weaknesses of this product is limited product availability. This product is popular among brand but very limited until people have to scramble if they want to buy. Next is the opportunities. The opportunities of this product is to developing markets through online business such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. And the last one is threat. First and foremost, it's easy for competitors to duplicate their design.
Okay, next we move on to the elements of the business model canvas. First and foremost, customer segment. Customer segment are the customer population to which the company aims to market its goods or services. Mascora divided their customer segment based on demographic segmentation, which the method is dividing markets on the basis of demographic variables such as age segmentation, gender segmentation, and income segmentation. On the other hand, Mascora also divided the product using method of benefit sort segmentation, which dividing markets according to the benefit customers seek from the product. The next element of BMC is value proposition. Value proposition is an invention, service, or features designed to make a business or product appealing to consumer. That is the reason why consumers switch from one product to another. Basically, the value proposition may change several times until the business meet the final list. Value proposition provides a unique combination of goods and services that offer value to the consumer by contributing to the solution of the customer's problem or by providing value to the customer. This is the point of intersection between the product produced and the purpose behind the customer's drive to buy it. The value proposition for Mascora is the product is high quality face mask, affordable price and convenient. Our product offers an affordable price to the customer that makes them feel they can repeat their purchase again and again. Next, Mascora face mask is really convenient where this product could simplify everyone's daily life. It has proven that our product is a creative and innovative product and a good place to store the face mask in an organized way. Next is channel. Channel building blocks explain how a business interact with and approach its consumer segment. In order to deliver its value proposition, it is important to understand which channel is ideally positioned for the business to reach its customer. Mascora uses its website to reach customer. It is called mascora.com.my, where the website have the information about the product which customer will attract to purchase the product. Besides that, Mascora also using the social media platform, which is consists of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Most of the time, people using their social media to interact with other people. Same goes to us. We use social media to interact with our potential customer.
Customer relationship. Our business, in terms of the customer relationship, will offer unique service to attract more customers. The unique service is to give them an offer of free shipping if they buy in a large quantity.
Okay, next is the revenue stream. Revenue stream is in the business model canvas can be described as the earning that a business earns by subtracting the cost from the revenue product by each segment of the clients. So the first of revenue stream by the company is the sale of physical product. The sales source of the Mascora include the selling of our own good products is created. Mostly of company revenue is generated from the physical selling when the customer walking to the store and buy the product immediately. Okay, secondly is the volume and unit selling. In our company provided a large volume orders from consumers. That is when they are purchased more than 10 pieces of mask. So we have to hold a consultation with the client. The first key activities is marketing. The marketing department is responsible for all the communication with the customers such as advertisement, promotion, product reviews, and many more. Next is with the website maintenance to have an easy and fast payment processing. Thirdly, the production of this face mask has been monitored carefully to keep the hygiene and product quality before it reaches customer. The capacity of the product release is being monitored to avoid surplus as it could lead to loss for our company.
Key partners are the relationship that the owner have with other business and government that help entrepreneur business model work. Mascora Case has many suppliers to make another mask. One of the supplier is K&J Glove Supply. We provide face masks to different industries such as hospital or medical center, food industry, clean room industry, and more. Other than that, Mascora Case also make collaboration with GNT Express for delivery service. Resources is one of the main factors when an organization is managed by the founder. Mascara case use many types of materials such as polypropylene, polycarbonate, cotton fabric, elastic band, and nose strips. Most of this raw material come from Haining Hetai New Material Technology Co. and Enigma Marketing Sdn Bhd. Besides that, one of mascara case is important key resources in physical sources such as building, transportation, machinery, and equipment. Both these building are one of mascara case key tools for running its business smoothly. Machine is an important factor rather than human to ensure the business are able to generate the volume of production that will satisfy demand. Cost structure for mascara case is they focus on value driven, whereas company is more focused on delivery great customer value in terms of quality and prestige. The most expensive key resource that use higher cost is in terms of physical resource, which is building. We will make sure that both facilities will generate the quantity of output that satisfies the demand of customer for the manufacturing process.
I want to show to all of you how to use this case. This case can fit into like 50 masks. We already put 50 masks in the case and it is ready to wear. But if you want to reuse the case, you can put it in this case like this. Okay, how to use this product? You only need to take off the lid and take the mask out from the lid. That's all. Okay, lastly, the conclusion is we know that with this 9 block of business model canvas will helping Mascara Sdn Bhd to make a better planning for the future, and we hope that our product can satisfy the need of people nowadays. Thank you and thanks for watching.